Ayo boss, and welcome back. Today Chef is going to take us on an adventure to the Far East, where he's going to show us how to make this delicious Egg Roll Noodle Bowl. Under half hour to put together, and it's very delicious. We think you're going to really enjoy it, so without further ado, let's head east and get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is just start to warm up a skillet. Chef's going to use cast iron, and he's going to add some sesame oil in there first. Once that's heated up, he's going to start to cook his ground pork. Go ahead and use your mix and chop if you have one to make sure this is fully cooked through. Break it all apart. And then add your soy sauce, some minced garlic, and now our seasonings. So Chef's going to add a little bit of ground turmeric, a little bit of ground ginger, and of course salt and pepper. And all the directions and ingredients will be on our blog. Next up, add your shredded cabbage. And don't forget, down below will be a list of the ingredients as well. And then some shredded carrots. And these will all cook down, Chef said. So as these cook, you're going to mix everything together, stir it, and this will cook down looking like so. Next up, go ahead and cook your noodles. Now Chef's going to use rice noodles, but you can use egg if you want. Chef also said you could put a lid on it, just kind of keep the steam in there to really cook it better. Go ahead then, again, just keep stirring, Chef said. If you're using cast iron, of course, wear your oven mitts. Those handles get hot. That's right, Chef. You use your protection when you're in the Far East. Once everything's getting ready to put together, go ahead now and we're just going to finalize this by placing a little bit of soy sauce. This is up to you if you want to do this, but a little more soy sauce on top. And then we're just going to now add our noodles. So just a couple forkfuls of these, and again we're just going to stir it and mix it in. Or if you want, you can put it next to the dish like Chef did. So as you can see, Chef is going to go ahead and use a fork and just mix these all around. And there you have it. So now Chef's just going to go ahead and garnish this with some chopped green onions. And you can serve this right up. Of course it goes well with some fortune cookies and some sake. Right, Chef? So thanks again everyone for joining us on this kind of fun creative dish. We think you're going to really enjoy it. It was healthy. Some of the ingredients like soy sauce you have to look out for, but you can find gluten-free. If you do find gluten-free soy sauce, this dish is gluten-free. So thanks again everyone. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.